When they told me I had to have a heart bypass surgery, they couldn't put a stent in my blockage, I was petrified. And that was back in 2007. And I did try. I changed everything, the way I ate. I really worked hard at it, but I never lost weight. And I really felt like, because I was in my 60s, that it just wasn't going to happen for me. So Erin and I talked, and she would give me a little tip here, a little tip there, and before long, I started to lose weight. And then I went, hey, you got to tell me more about this. I was in control of it. She told me things that I needed to do, that I could do, but she didn't tell me a diet. You get up and you weigh yourself every day. I never weighed myself. I ate what things I wanted to eat, and at the end of every day, I knew what I had done. And that was, I mean, here I am, 68 years old. That first time in my life, and I've lost pounds and pounds, but always gained it back. I've lost 54 pounds. And my medical stuff is amazing. My doctor is absolutely overwhelmed by it. She can't believe it. I wanted to get as much off of my meds for diabetes as I could, so I take a quarter of what I was taking. I take a half of what I was taking for my blood pressure. I feel great. I exercise now 4 or 5 days a week. I do 50 minutes on an elliptical. Everything that I have learned online teaches me that I can do this. When I saw the weight falling off, I was really astounded, and Erin will tell you that. I never believed it would happen, but it did, and then that just encouraged me to keep going. It's been life-changing.